Hi, I'm Yashwant. Welcome to the Geeks for Geeks. In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 10 Python packages that one should know. Python is undoubtedly the best programming language in the world based on the number of users or based on the number of areas that Python is being used. So it is considered as one of the primary language for every developer and every organization. So Python is popular because one of the reason is it is an open source, and the other thing is it has an extensive package library where everyone can contribute for Python packages and everyone can create their own. So yeah, in this video I'm going to talk about the top 10 Python packages that one should know. Let's get started. Number one in the list is TensorFlow. So TensorFlow is undoubtedly the top package of Python that is used in machine learning and deep learning. So if you are building a neural network, if you are working on building a huge machine learning application, then ultimately TensorFlow is the best option to go for. So TensorFlow has a large range of options to choose from when building a machine learning model. So it is used to handle a neural network intensively without any data problems. So it is still considered as one of the best package in 2021 to go for. And number two in the list is NumPy. NumPy stands for numerical Python. So if you are someone who is starting your career in data analytics, then you might have heard this term called NumPy. So NumPy makes your mathematics in Python very easily. So if you are performing something on data analytics or machine learning side, then you need to understand mathematics in a very extensive way. So you need linear algebra, you need statistics, you need everything. But what NumPy does is it embeds every mathematical function as a Python function, so that you can just use some Python functions to perform all those mathematical operations very easily. So NumPy is one of the best Python package to go for when you are someone who is looking to start your career in data analytics. Number three in the list is Pandas. Pandas is one of the popular Python package that is used for handling and managing data. So if you are working in a data side and you are working on CSV files or Excel files, then you need Pandas mandatorily because Pandas is a mandatory Python package to handle any kind of data. So you can clean the data and you can organize the data in a CSV file. So you can import the columns from the CSV file, you can organize that, and you can make some analytics out of the data set that you have. So yeah, Pandas is a very handy package that one can use to get insights and analytics about the data sets that you have. And number four in the list is PyTorch. PyTorch is an alternative to TensorFlow that one can use for. So PyTorch is being developed by Facebook and it is primarily used by Facebook too. So it also performs the same operations that what TensorFlow does. So it is primarily helpful in dealing with neural networks and all those stuff. So yeah, if you're someone who is very much fancy about building a machine learning model with advanced neural nets, then and you are not completely comfortable with TensorFlow, then you can go with this PyTorch thing. Number five in the list is OpenCV. So OpenCV is a very fancy Python package that most of the developers love. So it is a computer vision package which can be used in all image processing tasks. So whether it is self-driving car, or whether it is an object detection model, or whether it is a face detection model, biometric, everything. So everything that involves with computer vision application can be well treated with OpenCV. So yeah, you can use OpenCV to build all those models. You can build a face detection model from scratch using OpenCV. You can build an object detection classifier. You can use this OpenCV library in any advanced level to build all those image processing applications. Number six in the list is Beautiful Soup. Beautiful Soup, often called as BS4, is one of the best web scraping library that one can use for. So you can scrape data from any website using this fancy library called Beautiful Soup. It is still one of the most popular library in the side of web scraping, and developers love this because it is easy to get data from any kind of website using this BS4. So it can also be used as a crawler for most of the people. Number 7 in the list is Tkinter. So if you are someone who is fancy about building GUI based applications in Python, then Tkinter is the best choice to choose, because Tkinter allows you to build Python applications in the form of GUI interfaces. So you can use Tkinter to build any kind of applications, and you don't need a web server for that, because you are just building a GUI based app. And yes, it is loved by many of the people. Number 8 in the list is Pillow. Pillow is somewhat similar to OpenCV, but yes, it is used in various image processing applications. So wherever there is a requirement with image data, then you can use Pillow to manipulate the sizes of the images and to handle the image dataset, and yeah, other image related tasks. You can use Pillow for that. Number 9 in the list is Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a famous data visualization package that one can use to get insights from the data. So you can use Matplotlib with combination to Pandas or NumPy, so you can get high level insights from that. So you can create pie charts, you can create graph you can create graph charts, you can create different kind of charts using Matplotlib very easily. And number 10 in the list is TextBlob. TextBlob is one of the popular NLP library. So if you don't know what NLP is, NLP stands for natural language processing, where you deal with natural language. So TextBlob is one of the popular pick, and it is a great Python package. You can do any kind of NLP task by using this. You can perform tasks like stemming, lemmatization, and you can use TextBlob in extracting sentiment analysis out of data. So yeah, this is one of the finest Python package to go for when you're working on natural language processing. And yeah, these are all the top 10 Python packages that every developer should have in their mind when going for building advanced Python applications. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any concerns or any doubts regarding all these 10 packages, post your queries in the comment section and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.